In the days of Noah, the earth was reshaped by divine forces. As the floodwaters receded, volcanoes erupted, crafting new landscapes. These fiery mountains symbolized God's power to transform and renew. Just as the earth was molded, so too were the hearts of men called to change. This tale of rebirth reminds us that through trials, we find strength and purpose. The volcanic landscapes stand as a testament to resilience and faith, urging us to embrace transformation. Let the story of Noah inspire you to seek renewal in your own life.